Hey monkey, we are 4 people. I'll tell you, I'll belt you. Oh, fish.
He said I'll belt you back.
We left a little bit early to go to Nandi Hills. Unfortunately, we are not able to leave so early. So and I feel every time I come to this road, I feel like I'm going to Leh Ladakh.
What's up, guys?
Hey Gidira.
So today we are off to Nandi Hills.
Hills.
Yeah, call us crazy, but it's a Monday morning and we are off to Nandi Hills instead of sitting in college.
I know we're supposed to leave a bit early for Nandi Hills, but this guy right here is late in everything.
Excuse me, yesterday I
So-
came from Chikmagalur again.
Never mind. So this guy is Vinush and this guy is Shashank.
Hey guys.
So we 4 people are going to Nandi Hills.
Yeah.
So let's do it.
Okay, so we just stopped for a minute or so. Hey, Monish. Hey, 1250 GS there. ME School of Architecture.
Hey, isn't your thing talking up and feeling annoying? That's not remote, it's not remote.
What?
You don't have to put through a mode, put it in a mode. Yeah, no, he's like talking up.
Monish, hazard lamp.
Hey.
Deja vu, I just been to space before. Higher on the street and the...
Wait a minute. Who are you?
Okay, so we have stopped for refueling, and all of us have reached. Hey, how many kilometers did we finish now? How many kilometers did we come?
Till more,
Total
or more?
Till now.
Total.
Till now we came 45 kilometers, so 50 plus. Okay, so 59 kilometers, and then we are here trying to refuel. Manish, 95 octane.
Yeah. 1,200.
Normal Q&A session.
18 lakhs. Indian Scout.
18 lakh.
You get me around 10, 11, 12.
Did you get so much, Manish?
I don't think I'll get so much.
Refill fast. Yama, give card and come down. I didn't put premium. No, that's right. I didn't put. I have brains. Oh, shut. Okay. That is because my dad tried calling me.
How much liters you got? 4?
I got 4 liters.
Okay.
Good call. GG.
Okay, so after about 60 kilometers of ride, we have stopped in a place which is owned by this fellow. His dad, actually. Yeah. So yeah, we have stopped here to take a few photos, and the view at the back is like really cool.
Yeah, it's fantastic actually, to be honest. Even early morning would be very nice because it become completely covered with mist. Right now, at least you can see the mountain. Still you can see some kind of misty things.
It's still misty. This is somewhere near Chikbalapur actually, you know.
It's Nandi Hills.
Yeah. So after this fellow is done with
That's
the
Nandi Hill
plotting.
actually. The hill which you're seeing is Nandi Hills. You would come from that side. That's triple drop, hopefully. I'll dump this guy out there so he'll come and pick him up here and let's go.
Okay, so after this fellow's plot is ready, you guys can come and actually buy a few. It'll be around 1,000
Hashtag
rupees per
DM me.
acre. Yeah.
Hashtag slide into my DMs.
Okay, do slide into his DMs if you want to buy one of these. Cut all that. Okay. And these two buffoons are standing out here. Not even talking anything. Lame people. Hey, come down. I want breakfast. I'm hungry. 8:30.
Only eating
You just have to say that you came 1 hour ride.
Yeah. So after we have taken the photos, and then now we'll head to Chikmagalur. It seems.
Now
Okay.
I can retake this.
Yeah. So we are done taking the photos, and from now, why is my mouth stuttering? Da? Okay, so we are done with the photo shoot, and we are ready to go to Nandi Hills. Hopefully, they get me breakfast at that particular point of time.
They'll think you're some Bakasura. Hopefully I get breakfast, it seems.
Can you click a couple of pictures of us?
Rich kid. Rich kid goals.
It's a really wonderful place. How do you going? You can go, sir. I know, sir, right. Hey, come down, Drago.
Hi, how are you?
It's called as Bhoga Nandeshwara temple. It's a very ancient temple. Okay, there are monkeys. You're supposed to be careful near the monkeys. So we have come to Bhoga Nandeshwara temple. It's about most probably 30 kilometers far from Nandi Hills. So that's Nandi Hilltop, as you can see. That's Nandi Hilltop. It's completely covered with clouds. So what's up, Nitin? That's going to bloopers anyways. So let's have an experience. How is the temple? It's believed that it's a very powerful god here. It's Nandi, no, so it's obviously powerful. So it's a very ancient architecture, to be honest.
Are you allowed to film this?
Yeah.
I'm pretty sure you didn't even start recording.
Start recording. No photography. Okay, so I guess can you see that? I'm very sorry. So I'll try to take some pictures inside and try to post. Let's see. So peace out. So this is the Bhoga Nandeshwara temple. It's a very auspicious temple, to be honest.
Yeah.
It's so ancient, so much good architecture. It's built very long back.
So we are done with the temple right now, and then now we are heading to eat. It's been 4 hours. It's been 4 hours since we actually came out of the house, and these people haven't eaten breakfast. And from that time, I'm shouting breakfast, breakfast. Come, let's go.
I'm more hungry than this guy.
Don't tell me this one I'm going to put in YouTube.
I'll definitely put.
Yeah,
So we'll be going to Nandi Upachar, which is about 15 kilometers from here. We're driving all the way back to reach that destination because it's a very it's awesome place for
Eating.
having breakfast.
I hope it's not crowded.
It's clean. No, it's clean. It's very clean. It's
Clean, I hope it's
sanitized.
not crowded.
Hopefully, it's just sanitized just for us. Okay, very well. So never mind. So off we go. Yeah. So we have come past this Nandi Baswana Nandi Baswana. Okay. Yes. Hello guys. Hello guys. Yeah, we have come past this Nandi Baswana temple. It's a belief that there is a stone Baswana which is engraved long back, most probably. There's a belief that it keeps on growing. So what they have done for that is they have placed a small nail or something. So it's a big nail actually, basically, to stop the growth of a stone Baswana. So this is the temple, as you can see. So let's go inside and explore it.
yeah, careful, car.
No problem.
Well, you want to... No, you say once you tell enough, I don't say monkey, car.
Even after telling that also, the monkey jumped on me. It didn't jump on me. Please don't put this.
What do you expect? Monkeys will jump on monkeys only. Statue. So that's the reason I took off now only. So I'll see you guys later.
Okay, so that's the statue over there. I don't know if you guys can actually see it.
Actually, there's a belief that if you visit Boga Nandeshwar temple and come here, it's very auspicious for you and it's the entire day goes good for you. Except for this guy because he's hungry.
Okay, so we have reached Nandi Upachar.
Show my back of my head.
This is the place. It is somewhere in which highway is this thing?
This is Ballari Highway.
Ballari Highway.
So
It's a pretty clean place.
it's an awesome place. The problem is it's very expensive. But
Monish is treating us, so it's fine.
Yeah, it's pretty.
Hey, we'll go eat Kamra first. Yeah, backup plan. It's almost lunchtime. This fellow is doing breakfast.
Okay, so we are actually having breakfast at the lunchtime. Some people are there, some
Not
assholes.
lunchtime, it's 11:15.
It's almost 11:30 and we are having lunch only is coming out of my mouth.
We're having actually.
We're having something called as breakfast. This is what we're having.
Always breakfast. Never mind.
This fellow English is going
Crazy
over.
actually.
He's-
The food quality here is crazy. The taste is also awesome. Never eat this here, not eating.
I didn't eat, so
Okay, mouth is
22,000
watering.
people every day.
I'll speak to you.
yeah, I will talk to you later. Okay, so we are done with the breakfast and we are with our.
We had some beef with one of the beef eaters here.
We had we actually had a beef with one of the
No,
waiters.
no beef. All chill. No problem.
All chill. Now it's all chill.
Yeah, now it's chill because we're drinking chill.
Okay, so yeah, I think this vlog is going to be a flop, Monish. Okay, so we are done with breakfast at 11:30, 12 o'clock I guess. And Monish is here, Prashank. The problem is the microphone is giving some disturbance. So we are off to Nandi Hills. So we are off to Nandi Hills top right now. So how far is it, Da? 22 kilometers from here, maybe half an hour. Okay, so we have reached the parking of Nandi Hills. We haven't reached Nandi Hills as of now. Okay, so we have done parking the bikes.
Are you sure do you want to wear this?
There is a dude sitting over here. That guy there, he was very kind enough to give us a parking with a little bit of shade.
Yeah, very kind bro.
But kind enough only to Monish because only his bike is in the shade, our bike is in the sun. Okay, anyways, let's just go. I think there are less people though. Less people. And then next time when you come here, please get a helmet lock also because to keep the helmet over here it's 20 rupees per helmet. So please get your own helmet locks. We already talked about it.
Not feeling hot. Let here go.
Hey, Rafla talked about it, da.
He told that time.
Hey, we can see our vehicles from here.
I hope it is a time.
Bertin Calabur. Crap, bro.
Here, Monish.
Hey, bro, how the hell is the car going, da?
Certain people are allowed.
Hey, ask the others will go up top on it, da.
No, two-wheeler is showing not this way. Two-wheeler is compulsory.
Bro, like that guy? Oh, okay, okay.
4. Hey, we have 4 wheels now. Yeah, we both will go together. That will go. We'll attach our with the monopod stick only. So this will be kind of a... Oh my god, this is a parking lot. I can't believe this many people are there still. It's been afternoon. The sun is exactly above us, bro. Hi. ನಾಲ್ಕು ಬೈಕು ಹೌದು ಹಾಂ ಎಷ್ಟು ಒಬ್ಬೊಬ್ಬರಿಗೆ 50
ಅಷ್ಟು ಕಾಸ್ಟ್ಲಿ
ಬೈಕಿಗೆ 30 ರೂಪಾಯಿ ಒಬ್ಬರಿಗೆ 20 ರೂಪಾಯಿ
ಏನು ಸರ್ ಮೋಸ ನಮಗೆ ಲೆಕ್ಕ ನಮಗೆ ಆ್ಯಕ್ಚುಲಿ ಮೇಲೆ ಹೋಗಿಬಿಡ್ಬೇಕು ಹಾಂ ಅದೊಂದು ಟಿಕೆಟ್ ತೋರಿಸಿದ್ರೆ ಸಾಕ ಎಲ್ಲ ಕಡೆ ಎಲ್ಲಿ ಸೀಟ್ ನಮ್ಮದು ಸಿನಿಮಾದು ಹಾಂ ಸರಿ ನಾನು ಬರ್ತೀನಿ ಹೊರಡುಂಡ See guys, 50 rupees it seems. 50 rupees would rank 5 times tea.
So it is okay, so it is like 50 rupees to enter here. Yeah. Though you can't come and bike, they charge you 30 rupees for bike and 20 rupees for a person. I don't know what concept this is.
The concept is called as blade. Blade concept.
Basically he means rip off.
Yeah, basically. Hey, take out DSLR, daddy.
Why you want DSLR?
This DSLR is
Here
fine.
now GoPro will be better because DSLR does not have wide angle.
Okay, fine. Oh, what's this?
Stop bringing DSLR on. It's useless. Unless you go in the night, let's not bring DSLR.
Yeah, talk. Yep, let's check what's this. Bro, there's some fishes, bro. Oh, bro, I'm having a GoPro mounted to my head. I don't know whether it'll come off or not.
Go for dive.
Tighten it properly.
It's falling.
No, it's not.
It's a good place, right? Okay, let's go.
Okay, let's carry on. This is nothing. Very boring.
It's so cold here.
Yeah, it's cool. It's cool here actually, but it's pretty hot in the parking. I think it's sand there, and here there are many plants.
Yeah,
and
the
trees.
sand breeze and sun, the water breeze, no? Remember that?
Don't tell me, don't know that.
You come and go and bloody stairs. You're mad about that?
What is?
Yeah, tell me, bro.
Back. Zip is open. Levi, putta.
Tell me, what did you take first?
He doesn't trust his own friend.
Hey, monkey, we are 4 people. I'll tell you, I'll belt you. Oh, fish.
He said, I'll build you back.
That was actually scary, da. See, I'm not scared of monkeys. The only problem is they flick things and go. See this monkey. This is my vlog setup.
Hey.
I'm doing more hard work than any of these fellows.
Yeah, I'm not recording it.
What? It's recording, you fool.
That part off.
Tippu drop, no. Who Tippu did not like, no. He used to chuck them from top.
Are you serious?
Yeah, seriously.
No.
Yeah, bro, yeah.
Yeah, son.
Crazy. Easy. Guys, look at this. Well, this is not so deep.
I mean, if you fall from here, if you survive,
Dude, all the thing I can see is the roads and bushes there. Wow. Crazy, bro. Very funny. Crazy. The only problem is we cannot see much on camera because everything's so kind of misty.
yeah, it's
I think it's because of
my phone.
light scattering. Yeah,
Ah, yeah, you're
all
there
rich
on the
people.
flex
See,
now.
rich people, guys. These people and all these people. It's going on vlogs. Let's try to run. Thing about this is,
Oh yeah.
it's very beautiful. See these 2 people. Come up, da. Bro, all these are mountains.
Yep. Beautiful.
Beautiful.
Roads are there. See.
People go to Switzerland or some other countries to explore the inner peace there. All they need to do is go out of Bangalore outskirts,
Exactly. It looks.
explore.
Yeah, it looks so similar.
The only difference is it'll be more organized and not organized. I'm not sure if the camera is picking this up, but it's a beautiful scenery. How strange is the world, huh? Tippu was here, huh? What a lame question.
Nice road. No, we came that way, no?
Sun is exactly above our head. No, not above it. 50 degrees towards the right. 50 is too much, no? 20 will keep enough. Okay.
Nitin will be thinking this Himalayas now.
Himalayas.
How do people climb Himalaya?
People, they'll go by helicopter.
No, then we
This is not that high. Yeah, it's high, man.
not high compared to what you said.
Guys, you believe it or not, actually my ears were getting blocked as I climbed over the altitudes.
My nose is getting.
Nose, is it? Mine ear block. Yeah, that is the podium which I saw in the photos. Oh my god. So is it just me or I can see Karana there? Vlog, you buffoon!
Don't touch that, please. I saved your life.
Yeah.
Okay, we reached the top of Nandi Hills. Trekking.
Trekking. It's not all trekking, trust me.
It was shit. it was really shit. Okay, I think we're done with Nandi. This is how it looks like. Please don't come here. I'm just kidding. Please come here. It's nice. Come here in the morning. Don't come here this time.
Okay, let me be honest, okay? This trip is very exhausting because we have come afternoon. Guys, hope you can see God actually, to be honest. I am just trying to block sun so that the exposure is proper.
You require ABS.
Yeah, you require ABS, bro. You need hill descent mode.
Range Rover.
Range Rover.
Can I get a Coke?
This guy always thinks about drinking, eating.
I don't think about eating.
You thought so much.
In the morning, I was hungry. So guys, this was actually a really, this is a really cool place though. It's not cool means doesn't look cool. I mean, it does look cool also. But it is pretty chill because the weather over here is kind of cold. And if you guys come in car, you can actually come here, park, and then you can go play in the children play area even if you're an adult. Nobody's going to ask you any questions.
We didn't play. By the way, we didn't play actually.
Yeah, but before you guys come here in the afternoon time or after 8 o'clock or 9 o'clock in the morning, make sure you get your hat, sunglasses, whatever possible things you can get to make yourself stay safe from sun, not COVID.
The only thing that kills you here is not COVID, the only sun.
Yeah, the only sun.
Oh my goodness. I don't keep my phone here. It's a really piece of shit for me. I smell some piece of shit here actually.
We'll go. It's late actually. My mom will belt the shit out of my ass. So we are kind of done with this.
Should go down, da.
Okay, so we are actually kind of done with the Nandi Hills thingy.
Kind of done. Peace.
That's
No,
not here
please,
yet.
I'll come back, okay.
I'll-
Sometimes in bike, instead of giving it the beans, you have to give it the peas.
Yeah, give it the piece.
Do you get it? Beans and peas. Beans are bean shape and a round shape. The reason I'm so white is because I'm white. Peace out.
Oh my god, such a racist. Come down. Okay, done with Monday ride. I know it sounds different, Monday ride, but yeah, it was really cool. Okay, so the reason why I'm not wearing my gloves is because it is so hot. Curve number 30. I don't know how many curves are there.
One eternity later. What's up, guys?
Yeah, we are.
End of the trip. My butt is paining.
My ears are paining.
My head is paining. My hairs are falling. Yeah, it's falling. Something else is falling.
Oh, look at my hair, man. It's
Yeah.
completely screwed.
So yeah, so that's it, guys.
Hope you enjoyed the video.
Enjoyed the
Yeah,
vlog.
if you like the video, at least for the ear pain, please do hit the like button.
Yeah.
Subscribe to the channel if you're new. And then, yeah, catch you guys in
So
the
let's
next
say
one.
tata bye bye to Vinush and Shashank Reddy.
Venus, tada bye bye.
Taking selfie or what?
Yeah, it's a selfie vlog. Okay, catch you guys in the next one. Peace out.
Peace.